Hello guys, so today we are trying to do a Git tutorial, and I will assume that you already have Git installed on your machine and you can test that by printing, for example, the version of your Git. Okay, what we will do in this part of the tutorial is to set up the global configuration of your Git for all your future projects. Okay, so what we do is git config global. So at first we will insert your name. Okay, so I will put the fake name, but I advise you to be consistent. Okay, like maybe stick with your actual name and be careful maybe about capital small letters. Okay, but what is more important is your email. See, here we insert email address. See, your email is supposed to be globally unique, and this is how in the future when you put your code on GitHub, it will uniquely identify you. So please put a correct email address, which this is not correct, by the way. Okay, it's just for the tutorial. And now I will show you what these commands actually did. Now they actually edited a configuration file that is somewhere on your machine, and for my case it is in the home folder. Okay, I will look for it. See, here it is. It's in my home folder, and as you can see under the user tag, it added an email and a name. And let's ignore this core thing here for now. We'll talk about it later. And that's it for today. Thanks.